Hey everyone, it's Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Sugar Street. If you're looking for a home that offers over 2,200 square feet of living space, a workshop, paved RV access, and a sparkling pool and spa, this may be for you. Let's head on in and check it out. Relax in your private backyard that offers mature trees for plenty of shade, block walls all around, and a sparkling pool and spa. And don't forget the Spacious workshop that offers plenty of electrical. Thank you so much for having this tour of Sugar Street. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.